Hi everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw a lemon. Let's start. First, draw a line like this. Now draw a line like this. Now to this lemon, draw something like this. Now here, draw something like this. Then in here, draw a C like this. That could be the lemon seeds. I think lemon have seeds. Then lines like this. Now here, draw a line like that. Then, draw lines like this. There. Now draw a curve like this. Next, draw a line like this. Now to this line, draw a line like that. Oops. Then draw a line in there. Draw a line like this and something like this. It's pattern. Now from here, draw a line like this. Now to here, draw a line like that. Now in there, draw a line and lines like that. Now, from here, draw a line like this. Oops, there. Now, from here, draw an opening and then a line like this. Then here, draw a line like this. I accidentally did that, but that's okay. Next, draw a line down like that. Now, another line like this. Now here, connect it like this. Then a line like this around it. A squiggly, muddy puddle. But it's not a muddy puddle. It's something else. Now from here, draw a line. And here two, and here two, and here two, and here two, and here two. Next, it looks like a spider. It's not though. Next, to here, draw a line like this. Next, draw lines like this. Are we done? Now it's time to color. We are, so we're coloring. We'll color the leaves green and this yellow. Wait a minute. Watermelon. It almost is like lemon because it has water. Wait, 1 minute. Never mind. I forgot what I just said. I don't understand, and I didn't understand what I said too. Oops. I'll just name it. It's not right. Because I accidentally colored it the wrong one. But that's okay. I need the screen. Lemons are very sour, and there's another fruit that is sour too. What is that? It's lime. Now we'll need to think about the inside. But for now, I'll color these yellow, and this I'll think. If you don't want to make these, don't make this and make the seeds instead. That's easier. Alright, now I'll just wait for my dad to think about this part. While he is, I'm thinking about the color. What color could it be? I never seen inside a lemonade, but I ate it. That means I've seen it, but I forgot the color. I feel like it's white mixed up green, but I don't know. What could it be? Actually, I want to tell you something. Today, it's one of our festivals. It's a thieves, it's our festival, which is Nepali festival or Hindu festival. I'm almost done. Are you done, Daddy? Almost. Mine looks like a lime. That's so cute though. Because lime are green. Well, I think limes are just lemon. But they have a different name. Are we done? Are you? No. Now I'll wait for my dad.